ithatu kuma kambi ya Ethari Nguii ya kakuma matanyitwo ikorwo makiguneka na githomo gitari kia marihi. Uhoro uyu yumiritie thutha wa muingi wa kaunti ino ya Turkana na Ethari Nguii acio gukorwo makiheo mueke wa gukorwo makiamukira mathomo matiganite oro ndumwe na motaro mbere ya thukuru gukorwo ikihingurwo kuringana na murugamiriri wa mathomo na makiria bengi-ini ya Equity wikaine ta Beth wa Weru ni augite ati ni makiarire mitaratara ya gutigirira ati arutwo na makiria aria maumite micii itehotete ni maikorwo magithie na mbere na mathomo mao.
And the reason I am here is because we are celebrating that for the first time we have a very large contingent of Kenyan students. We call them Kenyan students, although they come from the Kakuma refugee camp, because this is their home. This is the largest number of refugee learners that we have ever had in the program.
More successful progress. Let's appreciate ourselves as scholars.
For the deputy principal from Kipsigis.
All of you are welcome to this school.
The beauty about it is that they do not study locally. I think it's only 52% who study in the region. The other 48% are studying across the country. So they are exposed to the same opportunities as any Kenyan child. And they go to the same schools, they are taught by the same principals and teachers. And so they have an equal chance of success. And it's only up to them to choose and take advantage of this opportunity.
For people who will be experts in agriculture, food security, can you work hard? That we hear you have gone to global universities or local universities to learn about food and agriculture, and come and tell us what we need to do here to become food secure. Our parents here are moving their livestock long distances in search of pasture. You have the potential of giving us the solution if you work hard.
We get to learn from each other, and as well they learn from us. We guide them on their career paths, and as well their sponsors come to check on their performances, their progresses, and how they're faring on in school.
It's really been of our great honor to be given this opportunity. It has really helped us a lot, though we are not thorough with our education. We are really appreciative to the team that has been supportive right from where we began.
Na ripoti iyo ni